So today we are going to make kaklo and then rice with bean stew. As you can see, my ingredients are ready. I'm going to wash the beans and put it on fire. So whilst that one is boiling, now let's go and blend the kaklo. As you can see, the plantain and then the rosemary, ginger, garlic and pepper. We are going to blend this thing together. The plantain is already soft, so that's what's going to help us make the kaklo. So at this point, we're just going to start with the stew, with the bean stew. The beans is already getting ready, so we're just going to make the stew and then we add the beans. So now let's add our chopped tomatoes to it. And then here is also our blended garlic, ginger, with other spices as well. So before I got here, everything was already done. Everything was already blended, chopped down for me. So the beans is also getting ready. Yeah, I'm just showing you how it's going. So at this point, let's add the wele to the stew. And now the smoked fish, what we call salmon here in Ghana, which is actually smoked sardine. So we're just going to add it and then mix it together. At this point, the whole kitchen was smelling so good. My beans is done too, so I'm just going to add it to the stew. I didn't show you the whole process of cooking the beans. Yes, I know. I want these videos to be as short as possible. So you're going to add the other veggies, the carrot and then the bell pepper to it now, and then we mix it together. The bean stew is ready. With bean stew, we all know you don't need too much for bean stew. So now let's go and blend the stuff for the kaklo. As you guys can see, this is the consistency it needs to be. Yes, and now we're just going to be frying it. And then this is how it came out. It came out better than I actually expected. Now let's fry the remaining plantain to it, and then let's put the rice on fire. This is so simple, so fun. This is something easy you can make at home. It's not that hard. This is the final work. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks, and then don't forget to subscribe. Bye.